In this lesson, we're going to be looking at commands. Now, commands are things that you can type into the message box inside of Midjourney to control the application. Let's show you how it works. So you're already used to using one command, which is imagine, where you type in /imagine. Now, if you type in just a /, there are a number of other commands that you can use. The first one that it shows up is fast. If you type in fast, you'll be using the fast mode to create your images. If you send that to Midjourney, now all your images will be using the fastest way to generate your artwork. If you want to switch that and go back to the relax mode, which is the slow mode, but they've put it relax so it doesn't sound as negative, just type /relax and send that into the chat. And now you won't be using your fast hours, but it might take just a little bit longer. The next one you can type in is /info, and this will give you a little bit of information about your profile. It will tell you your subscription, what the job mode is in, how much time you have left in your fast mode if you are using that, how many images you've created, how many relaxed images you've created, as well as giving you a tally of how many jobs are being kept in a queue and how many are running. There's also a help bot, which if you type /help in, you get some useful information right inside of the chat. Now, the most important and useful command in my eyes is the settings, where you can type /settings, where you can set some of the parameters without having to type them in. Here you will get a list of buttons, and the first row allows you to choose which algorithm to use, which we explored in parameters earlier. You also then have the amount of stylization that you can choose, which is the same as the parameter --s, stylize. The next up is the parameter quality, which is the code --q. Then you have the fast and relax mode, and the option to upscale light, which is the same as the light upscale, or uplight, as the parameter is known. Here there is also the option to change from public to private mode. However, private mode requires you to add an extra subscription of $20 a month. But this stops your images being seen inside of the public gallery. The final command that I'll introduce you to is prefer suffix. And what that does is it allows you to input some parameters that will be used every single time you put a prompt in, so you don't have to repeat them. This is great if you're working with a certain aspect ratio or you want to use the algorithm in certain ways. So you just type in prefer suffix, and then in the new value, you add in your parameter. Now this only works with parameters. It doesn't work with text prompts. And now the suffix will always be this. And if you want to remove that, all you have to do is type in /prefer suffix, and don't enter anything after that, and then it will remove your preferred suffix so it doesn't use it every time. And there we have it. There are commands which you can send directly into the chat using / followed by the command. And the main one to remember here is settings, which gives you the option to change the algorithm easily. And if you're feeling more advanced, you can use the prefer suffix to keep the aspect ratio or the algorithm the same between jobs.